Hey everybody, this is Chris, and we have the DJI Mini 2 here. You can see I have my new lens in. I had a little crash where it returned to its previous home point, had a crash and landed in a tree and fell onto some rocks. And the lens popped out, but I replaced that, which you'll see in another video. But we also have a broken little belly here, and the button works, but it's actually kind of pressed in. So how do we remove this? You can't see any screws here. Well, there's some right here. I'll try to help you out to see this. There we go. There's a screw here and a screw here. And it's kind of hard to get to with the cover, but we're going to do it. This one might be a little too big, but I need something long. You can get in there at a slight angle. Sorry for my fingers here. Right there, you can see it's loose. I'll try to do the other one where you can see it better. So I'm in there at a slight angle. You can see the bottom, it's coming apart. Once I turn it upside down, maybe they will fall out. Oops, hit the camera. There's one right there. We'll see if it comes off. So the rest you just unsnap. And there you have it. Real simple. And I heard the screw fall. There it is. So there's the nice little belly. There's the heat sink on the Mini 2. And here's my new cover. Everything comes complete. You don't have to add anything. It's all the same. So it just literally goes right in place. Very simple repair. Just snaps together. Just don't break the plastic in the process here. Just want to make sure this part lines up before I go pressing down on it. There's one tab on the side. It's going to make it difficult, and I don't want to bend it. The corners actually, there we go. Got it. So the little side tabs right here, you got to watch them because they're real flimsy, and this one's at an angle, so just want to make sure you get it all in place, all snapped together. Now my button's nice and it's not sticking in as far as it was, and then we got to get these screws back in. So my screwdriver is magnetic, but the problem is these are stainless steel screws. Stainless steel is not magnetic. So what we're going to do is take a pair of tweezers, and we're just going to drop these down in the hole like that. Like that. And then hopefully try to do this so you can see it. Wrong screwdriver. And when it stops, you stop. Don't try to over tighten. Remember, you're screwing it into plastic. And there you go. all in place, nice and clean. She is all good as new. New belly, new camera lens. I'm good to go. Now, again, like I've said in my other video when I repaired the lens on it, something like this I would not send for DJI Care. I wouldn't waste the time and the money to ship it to them. I would fix this myself. These parts are cheap. I'll put a link in the description. As you saw, all I used was a pair of tweezers, Phillips screwdriver, and then I just used this other tiny screwdriver to line up one of my tabs. But that was all I used. That was all that was required. And it was a very, very simple repair. So hopefully this is something that helps you guys. 2 screws, unsnap it, pop the new one in, and put those 2 screws in, you're good to go. I've seen other people where they've cracked these or broken these. The buttons have been broken on them, and it's an easy fix. So thanks for watching. Thumbs up on your way out. And as always, if you're new to my channel and you like this kind of content or need this kind of content, subscribe and hit that bell for future content notifications. Peace and love.